Peter, stop! Stop! It's me! Mr. Osborne. Peter, thank God for you. You killed those people on that balcony. The goblin killed. I had nothing to do with it. Don't let him take me again. Protect me. You tried to kill Aunt May. You tried to kill Mary Jane. Remember you?
I couldn't stop him. I would never hurt you. If anything ever happened with me, I've been like a father to you.
I have a father. His name was Ben Parker.
Godspeed, Spider-Man.
Don't tell Harry.
It's just a